Hopefully you've had enough time to complete your I-squared interpretation of the graphs and looked at the questions on page 14. Maybe you've even answered all of them. So from the interpretation of the graph, you should have noticed something about complex carbohydrates. First up, question 1, what is happening to the complex carbohydrates in a healthy person? Well, if you look at that green bar throughout, you'll notice from beginning to end, it is decreasing. It starts the decreasing in the small intestine, and by the full intestine, carbohydrates are completely gone. Compared to McKenna's question 2, what is happening to complex carbohydrates in McKenna's data? Well, when we look at the orange bar, hers is not breaking down as much. It doesn't fully break down. There is still some left by the large intestines. So there's a slight decrease, but not a full decrease. Number 3, what substance seems to remain constant or unchanged as it travels through the digestive system? I hope you notice that the bar for fiber remained the same the entire time. It doesn't change for healthy person or for McKenna. Number 4, how do these graphs help us determine what we would expect to see in solid waste that leaves the body as poop in a healthy system? Well, if fiber doesn't break down at all, and here we are in the large intestines still having that unchanged amount, I think poop would be made of fiber. Moving on is a little foreshadowing because your next part is to look at the graph for what is in poop. So you can see this pie chart to tell us about the molecules found in poop. You're going to use this data to answer the question, how does this compare to our large intestine data? So you'll look up at the screen to see the pie chart. You'll look at the large intestine graph and make a comparison.